In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the blocked list on PayPal. If you want to check which contacts you've blocked on your PayPal account, this is a very quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so it's easy to follow. Make sure you're signed into your PayPal account before you begin, because the blocked contacts list is only visible from inside your account. Once you're on the main PayPal screen, look for the Send and Request section. This is the area where PayPal lets you send money, request payments, and manage the people you interact with through your account. Go ahead and click on Send and Request to open it. After that, move over to the Contacts tab. This is where PayPal stores the list of people you've recently interacted with, along with saved contacts connected to your account. If you're using a desktop browser, this tab is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. On some devices, the layout may look a little different, but the wording should be very similar. Once you're inside the Contacts section, look for the option that says View Blocked Contacts. Click on that option to continue. This will take you directly to the part of your PayPal account where blocked contacts are listed. As soon as that page opens, you'll be able to see your full list of blocked PayPal contacts. This is useful if you want to review who you've blocked in the past, confirm that someone is on the list, or simply manage your contact settings more carefully. If you don't immediately see the option, it may help to refresh the page or make sure you're in the correct section of your account. Also, PayPal sometimes updates its interface, so the exact placement of buttons can shift slightly, but the overall path is still the same. Start from Send and Request, go to Contacts, and then open View Blocked Contacts. And that's all there is to it. That's how to find the blocked list on PayPal.